everyone, we are students of class 6 presenting an activity on constellations, various patterns found by different groups of stars. These are called constellations. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily identified constellation is the Saptarishi. Now my classmates shall throw a light on the various types of constellation.
As you can see, this is the structure of Orion constellation. Orion constellation is the most prominent constellation that is visible throughout the world. The name comes from Orion, a hunter in ancient Greek mythology that is placed amongst the stars by Zeus' advertisements. This constellation was held to symbolize many gods and mythological figures across the ancient civilization all around the world.
This is picture of Ursa Major, also known as Big Bear. It is a constellation in the northern sky whose associated mythology likely dates back into the prehistory. Its Latin name means great or larger. She be referring to and constructing it with nearby Ursa Minor, the lesser bear.
This is a picture of Ursa Minor. Ursa Minor represents a small bear with a long tail. It was one of the original constellations known to the ancient Greeks. In North America, the shape is called a little dipper. The most important and famous star is Ursa Minor, is the North Star or Pole Star.
This is a picture of Aquarius constellation, also known as the water bearer. It is located in southern hemisphere. The constellation of Aquarius resembles a young man who pours water out of a vase. There are three major meteor showers in Aquarius. The Delta Aquarius is being the most impressive one.
As you can see, it is the structure of the Gemini. Gemini is also called the twins. It is usually pictured as a pair of figures. The ancient Greeks associated it with twin brothers named Castor and Pollux. In Greek mythology, Castor and Pollux has the same mother but different father.
In astronomy, Taurus is a constellation or group of stars. It is lie between Aries, Gemini in the zodiac. It was almost always pictured as a bull.
As you can see, it is a structure of Leo. Leo constellation lies in the northern sky. It represents the lion and is usually associated with the name of lion in Greek mythology. The constellation was first catalogued by the Greek astronomer Ptolemy in the 2nd century.
Scorpius has 18 named stars.
Aquila is a constellation on the celestial equator. Its name is Latin for eagle and represents the bird. The Aquila constellation is best seen in the northern summer due to location along the Milky Way. It is visible both from northern and the southern hemisphere.
The name of Pisces means fish in Latin. The constellation is usually pictured as two fishes connected by lines. In ancient Greek, the fishes were related to the myth of Aphrodite and Eros. They jumped into a river to escape the monster typhoon.
Lyra is a small constellation in the northern part of the sky. The name Lyra comes from a lyre, a small harp-like instrument favored by musicians in ancient time. Inclined Orpheus music said to be so great that even a minute object such as rock could be charmed.
The archaeology Canis Major is a bright southern constellation. It lies south of the celestial equator. Canis Major means Canis Major represents the bigger dog following Orion. The hunter in Greek